Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you on how to cook some rice. I have my own style cooking, so if you want you can look at it and try. So what I usually use, I use the rice, the royal basmati. This is the rice I use. This is the white rice. This is the one I use, white rice. And I need a cup to measure. I need salt. I need this pot, rice cooker. I need olive oil. That's all I need. And this one to stir. So what I'm gonna do, I use the ratio. And of course I need water. So I use 1 cup. Put it here. That's 1 cup. So the next thing I'm gonna do is put the salt. I usually measure, you can measure teaspoons or use a little bit. I use a teaspoon and then use oil a little bit, like 2 teaspoons. As you do that, next thing, pretty simple. Just hold them on a second. Let me get one. 2 waters. Remember the ratio is 1 to 2. This is 1. And this is 2. So you look at inside, everything is together now. So what I have to do is mix it up really nice. Mix it really nice. I'm right here. Wait. So what I'll do, I use this rice cooker and I'm gonna go plug it in. I'm gonna go there, plug it in, open, put it in like this, close, plug it in. Once the light comes on, turn it on like that. In the settings, you have always do the white rice, okay? The white rice, and you're done. Everything. You will start counting. When it is done, it will stop. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoy. If you find this helpful, let me know. All right, and then the rice. After a few minutes, you will enjoy the rice. All right. Everything's done. You see, it's 0 0 is 0. Everything is done. So what I can do is show you the rice. This is the rice. This is ready to be eaten. Guys, next thing is we're gonna serve and serve and test. So this is what I've served right here, and test it. Mm. That's good. Huh. I want to do Arabic. So that's high five right there. And that's it. This one is optional. If you want to go extra mile, actually you can mix the rice with vegetables. These are vegetables, carrots, green pepper, peas, and corn. So what I did, I just fry them. Put the oil, put salt, and a little bit spices. So I use spices like masala and just salt, regular salt, modern salt, and the bilibili. You know, bilibili. That's a Kenyan. That's what I use, and then wait until set the fire to medium, and then mix up. You can make them a little bit crunchy, and after that, you know, when you are done, you can mix and serve the food. Sometimes I like adding this Kenyan or bilibili this way, and then I mix up. Yeah, and then test it. Good. As simple as that. All right, I got to eat my dinner, guys. I'll talk to you next video. Thank you. Bye bye.